no, pedito una jam. Venga, muy tarde.
Nindakonyita ogeni thiini wa tabarire no itu ya kiumia giki ngwihoka ni uragire na ihinda riega kiumia kiu kirahetukire nie njitagwo Jambi wa Njau
na nie njitagwo Biwa wa Mbui mwanake wa Cucu na gutiri undu mwega ta kwenda mundu na akiaga kwenda mukendana mukarimira wendo ucio nginya mukahikania rurende tuthie imwe kwa imwe nginya kaunti-ini ya Kisii tunyitane na thukuru wa imwana wa Itiero magiturehera rwimbo rwa wendo rugwitwo I will marry you someday.
You ought to see my Cindy. She lives away down south. She's so sweet, the honeybee song about a man. Get along home, Cindy, Cindy. I'll marry you someday. Get along home, get along home, get along home. I'll marry you someday. I wish I was an apple hanging from a tree, and every time that she take a bite of me. Get along home, get along home, get along home. I'll marry you someday. I wish I had an apple as far as I could sow. I sold that car to my hotel, and down the road I go. Get along home, get along home, get along home. I'll marry you someday. She took me to a parlor. She called me with a fan. She saw I was the prettiest thing in the shape of mortal man. She told me that she loved me. She called me sugar plum. She threw her arms around me. I thought my time had come. Get along home, get along home, get along home. I'll marry you someday. My Cindy, someday, someday. I'll marry you, my Cindy. Now get along home, get along home. I'll marry you someday. Get along, get along.
Andu ingi maigaga murio wa rwimbo ni ngita angi makaiga murio wa rwimbo ni mugambo wa muini na angi makaiga ni ndarama riu ndirenda tuthie imwe kwa imwe nginya mwena wa Aberdare tunyitanire na imwana cia thukuru wa Valencia magiturehera isikuti drums kana ndarama theri na nima imwana icio ni iraina mwiroreri ni ukwionera irahura ndarama nginya ikomete thi reke tu enjoy.
iroto muturire-ini na iroto icio imwe ni ikinyanagira na imwe ikaga gukinyanira. Reke tunyitanire na thukuru wa Kaimosi magiturehera irebeta riao ritagwo Shatter Dreams riria riraria uhoro wa iroto kwaga gukinyanira.
The brand of rough injustice, the twist of fate, the hunter becomes the hunted. The public notice boards have no space for new notices. The old ones are read in parts that we should keep off. Why keep off? No one wants the answer. As long as abreast you keep with the daily happenings, you hate to live. As difficult as it is to make out who is real, who is fake, they ask us to work hard and even harder. Ever sharp are their tongues spitting poisonous lies. Loneliness is sometimes better than a fake friend. To be alone, I have chosen. A deaf ear they have done to us. They tell us to listen to the song in the air, Constitution in the morning, evening. The poor is not ready to sing along. They are quiet, full of laments. In total confusion they stare at each other. What more do you want to hear? What more do you want to see? To keep quiet, we have decided. Now as we speak to you, we hear echoes from the hills, valleys, of those who love this country, of those yet to be born. Everything we touch pricks. Our feet are so in an endless search of green pasture. 2 days have passed. The path to self-advancement is lost. The lines of the story to tell you are lost. But when the music changes, so does the dance. We live a life of terror. The horizon is hidden, completely hidden from us by the mass hills and valleys. The journey to the land of truth is tiresome. The roads are impassable. They speak a language too hard to understand, a language of signs, of figures. Our dreams are shattered. We are fatigued, but here we are, unable to recall all the storylines. We have seen the sunrise and the sunset. Common man's direction is lost. Lost because of grafts. Being enslaved by the kind gesture of the so-called free primary education, free secondary education, free maternity, free, and almost free everything. Today is a reflection of yesterday. A poor man is made a beggar. His knees are ever supple. We are tired. Tired of tear gas. Tired of marching, protesting, demonstrating, carrying placards, trees, marching in noisy streets, in an endless quest of our rights. We want to walk freely, not glancing behind our shoulders. Feel economically empowered, free from threats. We are only yearning for that.